Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our brand new project on Mill Valley Court in the city of Riverside. Or actually, not the city, this is county land. So in the county of Riverside, and that does make a difference as far as you brand new ADU builders are concerned. City laws and, well, city ordinances and county ordinances are a little bit different. But we are here at this 400 plus square foot garage conversion. I can say a lot has happened since our last video, but there was no last video. But we are ready for our first inspection that's going to happen tomorrow. Now, we already prepped everything for our first inspection. We did all the demo. We took all the drywall down. As you can see, this garage was all drywalled in. We demoed a portion of the floor, and we have our rough plumbing. This is what's going to get inspected tomorrow, is all our plumbing. You can see our pipe right there. That's 10 feet high because I have to charge this with water, and the inspector is going to make sure that all the plumbing locations are in the right spot and that it's not leaking, because these are all the sewer locations that go underneath the slab. So after we pass this inspection, we're going to put some dirt back in these holes. And there's actually rebar that goes over top of this. And then on most garage conversions, you have, let me get here, you have the stem wall. And on the stem wall, what we do is we do an overpour of concrete that's gonna pour over top of this. This will all get filled in with concrete, so it prevents water intrusion on the garage side right here. So it'll be, what, 3.5 inches of concrete all the way around this soon to be bedroom ADU. But guys, any questions about a garage conversion, any questions about any ADUs built here in Southern California, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Give us some likes. Give us some subscribes. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.